In order to access Instagram Insights on desktop in Creator Studio, you have to first go to Creator Studio and then log in with your Facebook account that is connected with your Instagram account. If you haven't already connected to your Instagram account, you can follow the prompts to log in and link your Instagram account to Creator Studio. Once your account is connected, scroll down and you will see a list of posts that has been uploaded. Then you can select the Insights option from there, from each post, to view the insight. And in the Insights section, you can view the detailed metrics about your account, including overview, content, audience, and use available filters to analyze specific periods or type of content. This provides a convenient way to analyze your Instagram performance directly from your desktop. If you want to see all the insights, you can go ahead and click on Insights from the left-hand side of the screen. In the top, select Instagram, and you will be able to view all the insights. This was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.